Hello friends, it's me Z from Viewpie Developers, and today we are going to talk about what is virtual reality. First of all, virtual reality is not a new term. We already see VR inside movies. VR stands for virtual reality, and I'm going to use VR as an abbreviation for virtual reality. So what is actually virtual reality VR is? VR is simulation where we got abundant from actual reality. It's a whole new environment generated by computer graphics. If I tell you a short thing, it's like when we are playing VR games, we get abundant from real world and get shifted inside a computer graphic environment where different kind of sensor is being used to actually make feel like real world. When we move right, the whole computer generated graphics will also move to right. When we move left, the whole graphics also move to left. When we see up, the whole graphics will also get a little bouncy effect, and when we get far from any character inside that virtual reality graphics, the character will increase or decrease their height. So that is all about virtual reality. Now we will going to see some devices, but before that I just want to remember buys you guys once again, so you will not get forget about VR. So VR just computer generated graphics, animations, videos, and everything which you get interact with when you get into that reality, where you get total abundant from real reality and you get shift into the computer generated reality. So that is all about virtual reality. Now I will talk about devices. So let's move into devices. So I have top 4 devices in my list. First one is Samsung Gear. It will cost you around $199, something around 30,000 Indian national rupees. And the second one is Google Cardboard. It will going to cost you around 1000 rupees, 1000 Indian national rupees, and something around 15 to $16 approx. It is the most cheapest device. And the third one in list is Oculus VR from Facebook. It is really cool device, and Facebook is still not announced their price, but still Facebook Oculus raised $2 billion. It is really nice figure, and we can say that developer community and people around the globe waiting for Oculus VR to see what is new inside it. Fourth one in the list is Microsoft HoloLens. It is more about augmented reality. Augmented reality and virtual reality is two different terms, and I will talk about these two terms in a while. And this will cost you around 24,000 Indian national rupees, something around 400 US dollar. The companies which are really investing in VR are, I will give Facebook rank 1 because Oculus doing a great job, rising above $2 billion is really a great thing for Facebook. Second, I will give Google. Google have too many devices for virtual reality. One is we already talked about Google Cardboard, and second is Google Daydream, which is also a nice virtual reality device. And third, Google is working on a library called WebVr to give virtual reality experience inside web. It is something we will give you description inside. Sorry, we will give you link inside description about WebVr. This is my favorite topic, and I will also link a video in the description about Magic Leap, so you will going to get more close to what is Magic Leap is doing and what is the future of Magic Leap. Magic Leap is a secretive startup. The concept these guys have is really amazing concept. Watch the video. I will link the video in the description. And the fourth one is Unity. I think if any developer is watching this video, he must be familiar with Unity. Unity is a gaming development environment, and Unity CEO said that more than 90% VR game is developed by Unity gaming environment. More than 90%. It is really a big figure. And fourth, I will give to Microsoft because of their investment and research on the VR field. And Microsoft is actually doing great nowadays in VR, in virtual reality. Moreover, Microsoft is investing in augmented reality, which is really a next level term. I will give you a brief introduction about augmented reality. So here is difference between virtual and augmented reality. Augmented reality, also known as mixed reality. Here is a image of virtual reality. You know, as I already told you that virtual reality is a simulation. Is a simulation where you get abundant from real world and you get projected inside a computer generated environment where you interact with different kind of object and all are the animations. You know, you don't know what is actually going outside, what is actually going in real world. Moreover, in augmented reality, real scenario still the same. You are not affecting real scenario, but you attach some computer generated images, audios, video, text inside within reality, within actual reality. You are not affecting, you are not making your user away from actual reality. And that is the major difference between augmented reality and virtual reality. In virtual reality, your user, maybe you, if you are playing any virtual reality game, or you are working on any kind of virtual reality app, you get away from real world. But in augmented reality, you have total focus with real world. Your real world is still same and you can interact with your real world. Plus, with augmented reality, the real world get attached to computer generated scenarios. So that is difference between augmented reality and virtual reality. These two images will give you total understanding what I'm actually talking about. So that is the end of slide. Now I will give you a really fast my top 5 list of top virtual reality games. So In first, I will take hard code. It is a puzzle shooting game, really nice game. Give it a try. And these all games are compatible with Google Cardboard. Google Cardboard is cheapest device which you can buy and experience what is virtual reality. And I will ask you to go and try virtual reality with Google Cardboard first. So if you really want to feel, if you really want to engage yourself with virtual reality, I will ask you to buy Google Cardboard and give this game a shot. So it is a puzzle game and really puzzle shooting game, a really nice game. And mind game, actually one of my favorite game where you go inside your mind and fix your abnormal parts. Third in my list is Galaxy VR, a old school game which we used to play in our video game console. In this game, you can guess you will become a galaxy savior and you will be outside in the galaxy. You will be destroying different characters, meteors, flats. It is really a colorful game. It is also a shooting game, but really colorful game. That's why I put this game in fourth number in my list. And the fifth one is Chair in a Room. It is a game in which you interact with ghosts. A ghost gives you a chance to go back in the past and become a better person. So these are the top 5 games of my list. I will again ask you to buy Google Cardboard. Give a try to virtual reality so you will going to understand in depth what is actually virtual reality. Virtual reality is a technology which I cannot just tell in theory. So this is all about virtual reality that I can tell you now about this technology. We have also seen difference between virtual reality and augmented reality. So that's all. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I really need your subscribe. Thank you. Thanks a lot.